Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Khan's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Today I'm going to tell you how to grill a spatchcock or butterfly chicken. You can use any kind of griller, electric, gas or charcoal, but I will prefer charcoal. But now I'm going to use the gas. For marination, I'm going to use 1 cup of yogurt, half tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of chaat masala, half tablespoon of garam masala, half tablespoon cumin seed powder, zira powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, a pinch of food color, red or orange. It's optional. Little less than half tablespoon kasuri methi, dry kasuri methi powder, salt according to your taste. Now mix well all together. You can add the black salt and lemon, but I'm not going to use now. 4 tablespoon olive oil, or you can use the mustard oil, sesame oil, or any kind of vegetable oil. Now mix properly. Now it is ready. Now add the chicken. In the previous video you can see how to spatchcock or butterfly chicken. And you see I made the cuts here on the legs, thighs and breast, so the spice and can go inside properly and it will cook very nicely. So don't forget to make these kind of cuts. Keep in the refrigerator minimum 3 hours, and before making grill bring it to the room temperature. Now I will preheat the griller. It has the lava rocks. Until the lava rocks becoming hot you have to wait. Now it is done. Now I will put the chicken. Now put the chicken on the griller gently and close the lid for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes turn it and cook from the another side. Now it is cooking from the another side. It's looking very amazing, beautiful and delicious. Now it is ready to eat. You can enjoy with the lemon, tomato, onion and some green chutney. Subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.